Now come to next page of your chapter, first matter. In this page, kinetic molecular theory of matter is given. Their main postulates of kinetic molecular theory. Kinetic molecular theory is a theory which is very important to describe all type of matters, solid, liquid and gases. On the basis of this theory, we can easily learn few points related to matters. The composition, according to kinetic molecular theory, matter consists of particles. Like any type of matter like solid, liquid, gases, all are composed of small particles called atom, molecule or ions. This is the first point, first postulate of kinetic molecular theory for the matter. Now the second postulate of the matter for that is intermolecular space, means each and every matter consists of small particles and these particles have space between them. The intermolecular space is present among the molecules of any matter. Particles are arranged in such a way that they have the space existing between them, means intermolecular space is present. After this, the next point given by kinetic molecular theory for matter is interparticle attraction, means each and every type of matter consists of particles, small particles like atom, molecule or ions, and these ions are attracted among each other, means there is an attractive force between particles which hold them in a particular type of matter. In case of all the particles attract each other with the force which is maximum if the particles are close to each other, and the minimum if the particles are at the distance from each other, means decreases, the force of attraction decreases with increase in distance or vice versa. And the fourth point for the matter given by kinetic theory of matter, that is energy possessed by particles of matter, and the type of energy which is mainly present in case of particles of matter is kinetic energy. As you know that kinetic energy is energy due to motion of particles. In all type of matters there is a kinetic energy, but in case of solid the kinetic energy is negligible. In case of liquid kinetic energy is more. In case of gases the kinetic energy is highest. Since the particles are in the continuous motion, they possess energy called kinetic energy due to motion. Application of heat increases, means on providing heat energy to the matter, there is an increasement in the kinetic energy, which then move more randomly, means on heating any matter the kinetic energy of particles increases, due to which the motion of particles increases. After completing this heading, first heading of second page, kinetic theory of matter means application to solid, liquid and gas, means due to these above points there is a three type of matters have three states. Why? Because of these properties. Due to these properties like intermolecular space, kinetic energy, intermolecular attraction, due to these difference in their properties there is a three type of matter, solid, liquid and gases, which is explained by kinetic theory of matter. In case of solid, according to kinetic theory of matter, interparticle space of solid is minimum. Those type of matter in which the interparticle space is minimum, that will be solid. Interparticle attraction will be maximum, energy possessed by particles of matter is least. These are the three main characteristics. On the basis of that, we can easily classify any type of matter. If any substance, any matter is having minimum interparticle space, maximum interparticle attraction and least kinetic energy, then easily we can classify it as that substance as a solid. Now on the basis of kinetic molecular theory, kinetic theory of matter, for liquid, in case of liquid, the interparticle space is slightly more than solid, interparticle attraction is slightly less compared to solids, kinetic energy is large as compared to solid. It means these properties which are shown by any type of matter which is in between solid and liquid, that will be solid and gas, that will be liquid. And for the gases, this theory explains that the interparticle space comparatively very large. Interparticle space in case of gas is very large. Interparticle attraction is negligible. Kinetic energy is very large or very high. If any type of matter have such type of properties, then that will be gas. After completing this, come to the next page, third page.